Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something really exciting to share with you. Free, I will teach you how to generate these videos. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up.
Okay guys, so I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to achieve these videos that just played now. So whether you are using an Android phone or you are using an iPhone or your laptop or your iPad whatsoever, you can do this. First off, what we have to do is go to our Google Chrome and search for the Google AI Studio. As you can see, it popped up here because I've used it before. So you search for Google AI Studio. Okay, now when you search for Google AI Studio, for some persons the best way to maximize this website is for you to put it on desktop site. But I want you to watch and see what's happening when I put mine on desktop site. Are you seeing the way it's just looking big and unorganized? Like I can't even read things properly. Are you just seeing? So I'm using an iPhone just in case if you are also using an iPhone. But if you're using an Android, for some persons I saw them do their own video with Android, it was looking more presentable. But mine is just looking so weird. So I'll just go back to normal request mobile sites. I'll just go back to normal mobile sites. Okay. So alright, so we are back on normal site. Mind you, this is the AI Studio Google. We are back on um normal site. So I would like you to come over here where you have this. Let's click on this three dots. Three dots says start a new chat. But I want to show you something first. Okay, this is more like, okay, you want to generate a script like this interface you're seeing. You want to generate a script, movie scene, podcast, transcript, then audio voice assistant, all of that. You can do this with this website. Okay, but that's not why we are here. We are here to generate an image. All right, so let's head over to this place. Let's go to home. Good. Now we are on home. If you just click here, okay, you see it by the sidebar. You see home. You click on home. Now when you are on home, all you have to do is to, as you can see, you have options. What's new? Try Gemini 3, try Nano Banana Pro, VO 3, and all of that. But what we have to do is just to display zeros Google AI Studio. Just click on chat with models. Good. Now we are on chat with models. In the chat with models, you have options of the Gemini, the live, images, videos, audios. But what we want to do is to generate images. So we're not going to use Nano Banana Pro because it's Pro actually, and we are not going to use like Nano Banana. I don't want to use Nano Banana, so we use this one that says Imaging 4. You click on it. Exactly. So yes, we are ready. So just give it a prompt and say, maybe for example, generate a YouTuber, a content creator who is a YouTuber, comma, with her 100k palettes award as the background. Okay, let her background be white and pink also make it so aesthetic, right? Let her expression show so much happiness, and let her be clothed in a fine royal apparel, royal purple apparel. I don't know, but let's see what it will generate. Okay, make sure it's is very realistic. All right, make sure it's very realistic. What else? What else? What else? Let the room, let the studio be well lit and aes- aesthetic. Alright, so I don't know if I got this palette. Okay, double L palette. Alright, so let's generate this and see what it will give us. Oh, hold on. I'm sorry, guys. Um, before you generate, please don't make the mistake. Come over here. You can save your prompt if you like. You can save it. But it's your choice. All right. So did you guys see where I clicked? Close to these three dots, not the three dots. The three dots is where you come and save your prompts, but the one close to it, all right, is where you have your aspect ratio. Now be sure of what you want to generate. Like, are you using it for YouTube? Are you using it for Instagram, TikTok, whatsoever, Facebook? Know the aspect ratio you are working with. For me, I'm working with this for my YouTube, so I'll click on 16 by 9. All right, so it's already on 16 by 9 ratio. Then we'll click on generate. As you're seeing, the frame is on 16 by 9. So let's see what it can generate for us. If you don't like what to generate, you can change it. Okay, I don't think I like this. It's just looking somehow. Let's change it. Let me say, wait, just let her be facing me. Let me see if this can regenerate something. I want her to be looking directly to me. Uh, okay, no, I don't know if I like this one. But we're going to save, we'll save them, Sha. We're going to save it. So as you can see, it will generate images. So anyone you like, you can choose. So I'll download this one. When you download, you have options to save it on your file or your drive. I'll save on my file. I'll just click on save. All right, I've downloaded that one. Let me download this other one too. Download the same thing. You save to your file or your Google Drive, anyone you want. This one's this 100k is looking bare. Let's take this girl. All right. Save to your files. Save. So let's open this. We'll go to in open in downloads, and you see all these videos. As you can see over here, 1 2 3, these are all the videos, right? So I'll just save it to my phone, my picture gallery, so it will be easy for me to access. All right, done. Then this one, um save image, it has saved. Then the last one, save image, it has saved. All right, let's go to our okay, this is the other one I did. Okay, so guys, as you can see, is in my photo gallery. So yeah, this is beautiful. Now we never make sure that, okay, it's recording. Alright guys, so the next step is for you to go to your Apple Store or your Play Store and download this particular app called Grok. I don't know if you've heard of it before, but yes. So since I've already downloaded the app, I'll simply tap on open and it will bring me here. Wait, let me go back to, okay, all right. So if you've not, like, when you open the app, it will not bring you to this interface. It will show you where for you to sign up and register and all of that. So all you have to do is just to sign up and register. Okay, all you have to do is just sign up and register, and once you are done signing up and registering, it will bring you to this place that says ask, right? But this is not what we are going to use. What we are going to use is this place they wrote imagine. So click on imagine, and when you are on imagine, if you want, you can type to make an image or whatever, but we already have our image, so we'll just, sorry, we'll just click on this place and go to photo library and import those images we already generated. Here you have options to just leave the video to talk and say what it wants to say on its own, or you can give it a prompt. Open, go to photo library, click on this one, give it a prompt. Hope you learned something from today's video. If you did, leave a comment. Thank you. Leave a comment. Yes. Below at the comment section. So be careful the prompts you are giving it.
Hope you learned something from today's video. If you did, leave a comment yes below at the comment section.
Let's finish up with the last image. So you go here again, click, select this one, and give her a prompt. Say, subscribe, like, share, and check out my other. So that's the prompt. Let's see what it's going to generate.
Subscribe, like, share, and check out my other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye, year.
Go to your CapCut, InShot, or any app at all that you're using and put all these videos together, and yeah, that's how you create these videos.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. Nice to have you guys. Hope you learned something from today's video. If you did, leave a comment yes below at the comment section. Subscribe, like, share, and check out my other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye, year.